Bitcoin's alive, what you gon' do? Mempool fees are high. Ordinal. Where does it stop? Nobody knows. It's a revolution, ayy. Bitcoin is the one, no substitution, ayy. Wish you seen your glow be it's Ordinal revolution.
Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Ordinal Revolution. Today, we have an amazing MagicEden tutorial video for you guys today. The day has finally come, guys. It is tomorrow. Tomorrow is the big day. It's around 9 a.m. Eastern time. You'll be able to claim your ME tokens. And this is going to be absolutely amazing because the Runes community, the Ordinal community, got the biggest airdrop or claim. No matter what you want to call it, we got it, guys. We got free money. It's a stimulus for our entire ecosystem, and it's going to be absolutely amazing. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, and you guys are lucky enough to be here when it happens.
Exactly. You know, we've been waiting for this day. MagicEden kind of didn't really give us any hints until I would say about a month ago, maybe. And so once we found out, we're super excited. And today, when we were doing our live stream, we realized that, hey, we need to put a tutorial together for this because there was plenty of people asking, hey, how do we find our allocation? How do we do this and that? So what we're going to do today, Shizzy's actually going to walk you guys through it. He's going to use two different parts of it. One is the your mobile app, and the other part is your PC. And so we're going to walk you through from the very first step to the very last step of finding out what your allocation is, and then setting you up for that claim moment tomorrow at 9 a.m. Eastern. So without further ado, I say let's jump right in.
Yeah, let's do it. All right, the first step is mainly for US and UK users because MagicEden has not let us claim because of our regulations suck, right? But that it is what it is. There's nothing we can do. But there is one little thing that you can do to get your tokens. You can just go to first thing you're gonna do is go to ordinalrevolution.com and check out our NordVPN. This is the VPN you want to use. It's my favorite. It's one we've both used and it worked. You can get a free one. It's up to you. This is like $2.99. So just click our link here at ordinalrevolution.com. It's going to bring you to this deal, guys. It's $2.99 a month. It's almost nothing. Get it. Honestly, you should be having it anyway. And you can, once you download it on your computer, you can just download it on your phone. No more charge. Just the same charge for every device that you have. That one $2.99 a month. So get the deal. It's super cheap. You can see it's like 70% off. Use our link. Make sure you guys aren't just paying full price. And then all you need to do is after you do that, you're going to bring up the VPN. And I like Switzerland. Just make sure you're out of the US and out of the UK. You can really use pretty much anywhere. I like Switzerland. Where do you use, Yago?
I actually I used to use Switzerland as well, but I like using different areas. Like I'll do Singapore sometimes and stuff like that. So
yeah, man. So there's pretty much anywhere in the world has a server, and you can just jump on their server. All right, and then the next thing you want to do is go to MagicEden. It's mefoundation.com. That's mefoundation.com. I'll have all the links in the show notes for you guys. Just go there and click those links. That's why you don't mess up and get, anything that happens. It won't be on us. It'll be because you didn't follow the links. But claim your ME, and then you're gonna check eligibility. All right, this is when you're gonna grab your phone. So you will need the VPN on your phone, and you will need the MagicEden wallet. You can get both of those in the App Store, or if you're using Google and stuff, I'm sure they have it as well. But I have iOS, and I'm gonna put in my password here. And what I'm gonna do once I have my password in is there is a button on the top right hand corner. I'm not going to try to show you guys because it's not going to work, but you can't miss it. It looks like a QR code. You're going to press that. You're going to allow your camera, and then you're going to scan it. Once you have it, you're going to sign it, and then that should be done. And then what's going to happen here is it should change. Boom. I have agreed to the terms, accept and continue, and then you're in. All right, the next thing you do is super simple, super easy. You're going to want to link your wallets. You're going to come here, link wallets. It wants me to check my eligibility again. Link wallet. All right, I'm going to grab my Xverse wallet. You can grab any of your wallets. Grab them all. Every single wallet that you have ever used. If you have one diamond on there, still do it because it's still worth it. So I'm going to sign to my Xverse wallet. I'm going to hit connect. My wallet's going to come up. I'm going to hit accept. I'm going to hit continue again, sign. And it's going to tell me if I'm eligible or not. This wallet is not eligible. This is a brand new one that I just made to destroy. So, but I want to do that for you guys. And then it'll tell you how many diamonds you got. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Do it to every single wallet. I think on my personal wallet, I did like 25 or 26 of my wallets. I got a really nice one. But the next thing you want to do is save and exit. Once you save and exit, I got it. Claim on your mobile wallet. So tomorrow, when it is time, you will go to your mobile wallet only, and then you'll be simple, and you just hit claim. One more thing, we'll need some Solana on that wallet, and the ME token is a Solana token. So if you want to sell it or claim, you will need some Solana. You probably only need like a couple bucks, 5, 10, 15, 20 bucks. If the network is clogged, who knows? I'm not very familiar with Solana. I don't know how high the fees get, but just I would, for safe, maybe throw 100 bucks, 50 bucks. That way, you can kind of keep doing your thing. And then on that Solana wallet, you can trade it for Bitcoin, and then buy your runes, baby. Buy your runes. Yagobi, is there anything that you're looking at after we receive our hundreds of thousands of dollars that we receive? Just kidding. But after we receive our, a couple grand or whatever, are you looking at anything? Are you looking at anything that you want to buy, especially right now because everything's cheap?
Yeah, probably some runes. I'm definitely gonna be looking at runes to see, what if there's any popular ones that are, popping off and stuff like that. And also look at some of the solid ones. The top three to me are Doggo to the Moon, BDC, and Pups. So maybe I throw some of it more into BDC. That's one that I really have a lot of faith in, but all three of those should be solid. But I think I might take a little bit and gamble a little bit, like, just a small percentage, maybe 10% or something like that, and see if, because there's going to be new runes that pop off starting tomorrow. I guarantee it, especially with this hype. But those are going to be my in and out runes, right? I get in, I flip 3, 5x, I'm out on those new ones. But yeah, so it's going to be a process, but that's what I'm going to do. It's not financial advice to anybody, but that's my thought process. What about you?
Yeah, I might grab. I had a puppet a long time ago and I sold it way too early. I might think about getting a puppet. I'm getting a good portion. So I don't really know. I'm thinking about it. It might be something that I really have to think about. But I'm thinking about getting a puppet. But if I don't get a puppet, that's just my personal thing, Doggo to the Moon, definitely one I want to get into more of. Billion Dollar Cat, like you said, I might take a shot at Arctic just for the fact that it's on OKX. Gizmo might be something. I might really break it up and just maybe, throw 500 bucks at a bunch of different ones, right? And just hold a portfolio of runes and see what happens, right? Because if once Dog gets listed, right, once it gets listed on Kraken, which I think is going to happen either this week or next week because of the volume tomorrow, I truly believe that, everything in runes is going to take off. So I definitely want to get some riskier stuff that can potentially 100x. So you throw 500 bucks in something 100x, you walk away with 50 grand. So it's just it's something that potentially could happen. And I don't want to miss out on that. Like, so maybe something like Mr. Yen, maybe some Wanko Manko, Stupid Silly Cat. I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do tomorrow. I'm really going to look at it though and really kind of judge. Uncommon Goods could be one. Arcano Cat Bus could be something to throw 100 bucks at. I don't know. Liquidium probably. I'm probably gonna throw $1,000 Liquidium for a long-term hold. I'm just very bullish on those guys. But yeah, man, you could really seriously do anything in runes and probably make money going into tomorrow because the whole ecosystem's gonna boom, dude. It's all gonna explode.
Yeah, it's going to be interesting. So do you think Doggo to the Moon passes $1 billion tomorrow?
Yeah, I think it easily passes tomorrow. I think it
Wow,
does. I think it's at 2 billion by the end of the year.
that's
I
crazy.
think because you know what's going to happen tomorrow. You're going to see millions of dollars going into Doggo to the Moon, millions and millions of dollars, and on Magic Eden, right? It's going to be the easiest place to buy it because the fact you're going right from your Magic Eden wallet right to a Bitcoin, right to Doggo to the Moon, and then people like Kraken are going to be looking at the bubbles, the crypto bubbles, and seeing a lot of stuff red, but seeing Doggo to the Moon and Billion Dollar Cat green, and it's going to push the button. They're going to list this. They're going to list Kraken on Kraken in the next probably couple like days to weeks, which is going to push it to 2 billion. Once it gets listed on Kraken, it's going to 2 billion because then you're going to have OKX listed. You're going to have every single exchange end up listing this, potentially even Coinbase.
Yeah, I mean, you're right. So I think that's really going to drive the demand up for the runes ecosystem. But it's going to be interesting to see live action. That's for sure.
Yeah. Yeah, man. All right, guys. I couldn't really been any simpler than that. If you have any questions, put them in the chat. We can answer them one by one. The only thing I didn't show you was the phone stuff. Obviously, it's not easy. So I hope you guys appreciate this video, and I hope you guys get your ME, and I hope you guys get into the Bitcoin ecosystem. I'm very bullish on it. But hey, the ME could be a good hold as well. Me and Yagobi potentially we're thinking this thing could go. I think your prediction was 6, 8. I think my prediction was potentially $15, $18. Was
Yeah,
I wrong on that? Was that your prediction?
Yeah, I mean that's a little
ME?
bit high. You know, ME
Yeah.
tomorrow, I think maybe like $5 to $7. I don't know. It's
Yeah.
honestly it's really tough to tell because you know the demand's going to be there, but it's also going to be heavily spent. So I think we just really got to see how the morning starts, and I think that from the morning during our live show,
Yeah.
we're going to be able to see these market caps and how they're reacting to it.
Yep. So, guys, tune in tomorrow. We're going to have live coverage of it the entire show. We're going to keep checking and making sure to see what's going on. So, tomorrow's live stream is definitely going to be one not to miss. But on that note, send us out.
Yep. And guys, if you have some time, just check out our partners for us. It helps us a ton. We appreciate that. Emblem Vault at emblem.vision, BetBTC at betbtc.win, BitPerp at bitperp.io, and then Fluid Tokens. I think it's btc.fluid tokens, but
It's
so
fluidtokens.com and then hit the Bitcoin button.
okay, fluidtokens.com, and then hit the Bitcoin launch button there. But we appreciate you guys for checking out our partners.
Yep. Thank you guys so much. And remember, check out ordinalrevolution.com. Use the VPN, guys. It's really important you guys don't pay full price for that. I would hate for you guys to pay full price when you don't have to. Bitcoin 2025 Las Vegas tickets as well. And of course, we have some of the best merch in the entire crypto ecosystem. Check it all out, guys. And hey, guys, wouldn't mind checking us out all week. We are live Monday to Friday, 11 a.m. Eastern, 10 a.m. Central, 8 a.m. Pacific, Monday through Friday. We even go live last Saturday. We might do it again, depending on the market and what is going on. But we appreciate you guys. And until tomorrow.
Peace.
Ordinal revolution.